You can quote text in Gmail or add a quote in your emails that you write here in Gmail. To do that, what we're going to do is highlight the text that we want to be quoted. So I'm going to highlight this quote here from Martin Luther King Jr. Now, you might not see this formatting option here. So if we click the A down here, that'll pull up the formatting bar. And the quote option is going to be at the very end in this extra set of options where you see these quotation marks. We click on that and it adds a quote to that text. Now we can still format that text, color, or change the size of the font or even bold it if we want to. But it adds this little line and allows this to be seen as a quote instead of just something that you wrote within the text. If you want to take it a little bit further, like I said, you can highlight that text, maybe add a boldness to it, maybe change the text color a little bit, to lighten it up, make it look a little bit different than the rest of your font or your text or your email. So, that can really make it stand out as a quote as well. That's how you can add a quote in Gmail.